Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oracle Love Light. So today I'm kind of going to do a what I eat in a day. So it is around 11:45 actually, and I'm going to make me some stuffed mushrooms. So I'm just going to melt this butter, and then I'm not going to melt it too much, just melt it so it can get a little creamy. Then I'm going to use red pepper, parsley, and garlic powder in it. I'm just going to mix that together. And you could put it to your discretion. Like, it's no way to measure. It really is not. Like, if you know you love garlic powder, then add as much as you want. If you know you love red pepper, a little spice, add as much as you want. That's why I don't do measurements, because you just add what you want. Like, add what you want. So anyway, we're going to give this a mix, and this is what we want it to look like, because we are going to spread this at the bottom of our mushrooms, over top of it, like a coating at the bottom and in the middle. So I am going to be using Portobello mushrooms, which these ones, I really love these. Again, I talk about how good mushrooms are for you, like the benefits of them. You can never go wrong eating mushrooms. Like, eat your mushrooms. It's a billion mushrooms. Find a mushroom that you like and eat that thing. So we're going to pop these in the air. Oh, you guys, I forgot. I'm going to clean the inside of my mushrooms. Look at this. Look, I'm so hungry. I'm just kind of like, let me pop them in the air fryer. So I should have cleaned the inside of the mushrooms before I put the garlic butter on the bottom. However, it's okay. A little bit of it came off, but it's all right, because I'm going to slather it in the middle of it. So it is okay. I am just going to be stuffing these mushrooms with the same fixing that I made yesterday for Mother's Day. I had a little bit left over, which I showed you guys. Well, actually, it was a lot left over. So here is another convenient way to enjoy it. I'm going to stuff these with that filling, and then I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on top. I'm going to make me a light salad, like a really small salad. This salad is so small that it's actually kind of sad. I should be having more salad than this. Listen, you guys, when you make your salad count. Don't just eat no lettuce. Add some spinach, arugula, some what is the other, like some kale. Like, make it count. Even though the salad is small, it is very nutritious, it's very beneficial. So I kind of get a pass with it. Either way, I'm going to show you what this looks like when I put it in the Carb Manager app to watch my carbs. So look, I know I'm done talking. Come on, just watch the video.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me. Baby, put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from that. Been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else, get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one.
So So you guys, to season my salad, I'm going to use the same seasonings, which is the parsley, red pepper, and garlic powder. The only difference is I'm also going to add onion powder and a little bit of Italian seasoning.
It's been harder for me now, but I'll get through it somehow. 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 You're not the one. No, no. You're not the one. No, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. You're not the one.
Also, you guys, I wanted to tell you that I made it a point to start adding ground turmeric to my salads or to any of my meals. Like, I'll put it on my seafood or my chicken. Not a lot, just enough, just a little bit. But if you constantly do a little bit day by day, it'll add up to a whole lot. And turmeric, as we know, have tons of nutritional benefits. It is just like a super spice. So I love adding that. So I don't know if I want to call this a stuffed mushroom or like a cheese bomb, because this thing is like giving me the good cheesy vibes. But anyway, like I said, I don't know which one I want to call it. This was so good. Oh my gosh. I love when I cook like good food that is like keto good and just really filling and really like a good, healthy, dense food. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. It just makes me so happy. You guys, so I wanted to show you what I am going to be drinking. So I'm just going to take an elderberry shot. However, just note that this elderberry shot is 4 net carbs. So if you guys have another alternative, they give me like the same ingredients that this had for just like daily wellness. I get these little things from Aldi's. They're about $2, which truthfully, I think I'm gonna start making my own, because I have all of this stuff to make my own, and it's like, what's wrong with me? Come on now. All right, you guys, so this is something that I am working on doing intentionally. I am getting back into reading, and I've also gotten into, this is my first time really doing this. Like, I used to do like bits and pieces of this is annotations, but I call it annotations. It is not spelled Anna. I don't know who pronounced that, but it is spelled ANNO, not ANNA. So anyway, though, I love doing this. So this is just an example of what they are to me. It's kind of like when you see a sentence, a quote, a word, you just jotting down what it means to you. So like, for example, this one say too soon. Sometimes I put sometimes it's too soon, but sometimes it's right on time too. So then I liked it. This one stood out to me. Pretty blind to other people's feelings. And I made a note of mainly when you've been hurt. So sometimes you can be blind to someone else's feelings if you're in a hurting stage. You don't realize like that other people's feelings matter as much as yours, because all you can focus on is your grief and your pain. So I put that note there. And then this was another one of let's return to you. I said, don't be afraid to let go, because sometimes we hold on to things and we hold on to people that we should let go. And if it's meant to be, it'll come back, you know. This was another one, lost. I put sometimes, because sometimes we all feel lost, you know. So then it's a couple, you get the gist of what I'm saying basically. So I just got back into reading. This is my little laminated bookmark that I had made. I made this to keep manifesting a good income. So if you always have $1, you are never broke. So why not laminate it? But I also I wanted to show you that I am going to be having my tea. I made me some ginger lemon tea, and I'm going to be having my Atkins caramel nut chew bar, which is 2 net carbs, 1 gram of sugar. As you can see, it has 16 carbs, 5 of them are dietary fiber, 9 of them are sugar alcohol. So this is going to be one of the snacks that I am going to have. It is now around 2 o'clock, so I'm getting ready to go pick up the kids. They don't get out until 2:40, so what I like to do is to take my little book with me and read it while I sit in the car and wait until she get out. But first, I'm going to drink this tea and I'm going to eat my snack. All right, y'all, so it is about 5 o'clock and I'm already at 14 net carbs. All I have is dinner left, which I may just do like some shrimp and vegetables. So we are in this thing to win it. All right, you guys, this is my last meal. I just placed some avocado oil in a pan. I am going to throw these shrimp in there. I'm going to season them with Old Bay garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and Italian seasoning. I'm going to be making loaded cauliflower, mashed cauliflower actually. This is so easy to make. I get the bag from Aldi. You only add 4 tablespoons of water to a pot, put the cauliflower in there, and just stir it until it's all completely melted. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. When I say a little bit, I mean a little bit of cheese. I'm going to let that cook, and then I am going to transfer all of this to a bowl. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like. I am just going to top it with some red pepper flakes and some chopped chives, and then I am going to add bacon and then add the shrimp on top of it. Oh my gosh, this was so good, and I'm gonna show you how many points this was. Like, this is like, oh, come on through. This was so good. So as you can see, this was 4 points, which brings my total to 18 net carbs for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you guys for sharing this space with me. I thank you for joining me. And as always, I thank you for watching.